We are pleased to show you the 2020 Taycan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. The Porsche Taycan is an electric vehicle that still lives up to the hype of being a Porsche. Unmatched looks, power, and luxury, with the added plus of being an electric vehicle. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Owning a Porsche should be a very special experience. That's why when you buy a Porsche approved vehicle, we do everything we can to ensure it's as good as it looks. You can expect driving pleasure, quality, safety, and stability of value. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.